What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I will show you how to mine Fantom on any computer or any Windows operating system. So let's get started. Before starting the video, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While we upload a new video, you should be the first one to get its notification. So for mining Fantom, I will open the browser. So before navigating to the mining process, navigate to IntoCrypto, check out the mining tutorials, finance tutorials and other kind reviews, because every day we are uploading different videos about cryptocurrency. So for mining Fantom, I will open a new tab and type unmineable. So here is the unmineable. You can see there are bundles of coins that you can mine using the unmineable.com. So in this video, step by step, I will show you how to mine Fantom or FTM. Simply, I will minimize the browser, go to the desktop, create a new folder and type it FTM. Once you have created the folder, open up the Windows security, click on the virus and create protection, click on the manage settings, scroll down, click on add or remove exclusion, add an exclusion, select the folder, go to the desktop, select the FTM folder. As you can see that FTM folder is excluded with the Windows security. Now close the Windows security, go to the unmineable, click on the download section. So right click on this and you can see that you can save the link as, or you can download it with the IDM download manager. So simply I will download it with the IDM. Click on this three dot, go to the desktop, select the FTM folder, click on save and start download. As I have already downloaded, simply I will cancel the download, minimize the browser, go to the miner folder, copy this and paste it here. So I'm showing the example to you how to download it and how to keep save the unmineable miner to the folder. Simply right click on this, extract here. Once the unmineable miner successfully extracted, double click to open it. Here is the unmineable. On the first window, click on the continue option. Here you can select your mining hardware. I recommend you, if you are having a good computer with the highest graphic card, so I recommend you to select the CPU. So in this case I will continue it with the CPU. Here you have to type the token or coin you want to mine. I will type it Fantom. Here you have to enter your wallet address. Simply I will use my Binance account. So in this case, if you are having any other exchanges that you are currently trading cryptocurrency on, that like there is decentralized platform, Trust Wallet, you can copy the Fantom wallet address from there also. So I will use my Binance account. So once you are on the Binance, click on the wallet option, click on the fiat and eSpot. Now search for the FTM or Fantom. Click on the deposit option. Here you have to select the network. I will select the BP20 and copy the address and paste it here. Once you have pasted the address, you can see there, you can see that the start button will appear. Here I will provide you my referral link in the below down description. If you use my referral link, you can see you can lower your fees to 0.75% with the valid referral link. So click on the start to start mining FTM or Fantom. So guys, you can see that we are right now on the mining window. You can see last 24-hour reward total paid, and there is the last payment now, and here is the payouts from 2 FTM. There are some other changes to the setting that you can do that from the advanced setting option. Here you can see that the mining intensity is low, high or custom. So as you can see that I've selected the high setting intensity for this. So if you want to bring any changes, simply click on save and restart. As you can see guys, so it's perfectly mining FTM or Fantom token coin on my Windows operating system. If you want to check the status of the mining, simply click on this option to open the unmineable. So guys, here we are right now on the unmineable.com. Here you can check this box, auto pay once a day whenever the balance is over 2 FTM. Here you can check your workers, the payments, there is the referral code, there is the stats. So you can check each and every hour that you are mining any coin or token using the unmineable miner on this window. So guys, this is the way how you can mine FTM token on your Windows operating system. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. God bless you. I'll see you in the next one.